And the Laureus Academy has chosen Barcelona.
To accept the Laureus World Team Award, please welcome Barcelona Club President Sandro Rosell. And to present the award, please welcome Academy member and five-time Olympic gold medalist, Sir Steve Redgrave.
Congratulations.
Thoroughly deserved. Congratulations. Give us the secret. Why are Barcelona so strong, both on and off the field?
Well, first, let me thank Laureus Academy members, and let me congratulate all the nominees and winners. But the secret is in the heart. The secret is feelings. The secret is that our colors are in our blood. And the secret is our grandfather, our father, my mother, the father of all the members are from Barcelona. Our son, our grandsons will be from Barcelona. And this is the legend, and this is why we love our club.
We have Sir Alex Ferguson in the audience here with us this evening. Even he would agree that Barcelona in that Champions League final at Wembley against Manchester United were at their absolute best.
Well, it's an honor to play against Manchester United, and especially when it's coached by the best coach in the history so far. I hope that Pep Guardiola I hope that Pep Guardiola, our coach, will, if with your permit, will be the best coach in the coming years. So for us it was a big honor to play against Manchester, to play against such a big team in Wembley, and it was a great game. We hope that we can find Manchester United again in many finals in the future.
Well, give that Laureus trophy pride of place in your already bulging trophy cabinet at the Camp Nou. Thank you very much indeed. We have got a message from your coach, Pep Guardiola, as well.
FC Barcelona is more than a club, and we have always believed, as Laureus does, that the sport is one of the most powerful forces in the world that can help people, especially children, to improve their lives. That's why this recognition is so special for us. I would also like to congratulate all the other sportmen, sportwomen and teams that have been also nominated. Thanks to everybody. Moltes gràcies a tothom.